Hello, bro fucks. I'm recording this video from Monastirsky Livadi, Sofia, Bulgaria, and you're fortunate enough to be looking at it because you actually make some money in your miserable life. I want to present to you technical analysis of Ray USDT, Ray against the US dollar. This is a token, a crypto token that you need to be looking at if you want to make some money during this bull run. The bull run will happen very soon during Q4 of 2024 or Q1 2025. Bitcoin will hit 100k, people will go crazy, and people will be panicking. They will be buying at very high prices because they will be feared of missing the run. While the run is actually taking place right now, and it's been taking place since November 2023. Still, I think that Ray is one of the few tokens that will allow us to make some good money. I think that from this point it's currently trading at 3.4, 3.5. It can surpass its all-time high and probably reach $29-30. Here is why. First of all, I want to start with the weekly chart. The first time I got into Ray, it was right here 0.4. I could have gotten a better entry at 0.2, but I missed it. Still, I am up more than 8x on this token. I bought here at 0.4 the first time. I bought some more here during this consolidation because I thought the breakout will happen. Here it started again in July, but pulled back, a consolidation for another 3 months, and here we go. Now we are breaking out, hopefully. $29. I have marked this place because of the Fibonacci extension. Let's see. This is a very optimistic number. We will reach this number once Bitcoin starts trading above 100k, trading and consolidating above 100k. Bitcoin can reach 110, 20, 150. I don't know, but you must be crazy not to think that Bitcoin will not trade above 100k. It has consolidated for 8 months straight. Now it's the time that everybody's been waiting for. It's been so boring. The crypto market has been so boring for 8 months. Look at this. Look at this consolidation here. From March 2024 until November. This is 8 months. 245 days. This is crazy. And this is why I want to show you a token that can bring another 10x from here easy once Bitcoin reaches 100k. I'm using the weekly and monthly 3-month charts to make my technical analysis. Everything below daily for me is absolutely for casino players or for very good traders. I like to look at the bigger time frames. This is how the pro traders who are managing hundreds of millions of dollars work, and this is how they make their entries: weekly, monthly charts, daily charts. Raydium has been trading above the 50 RSI level since since October 2023. This is a signal of a very bullish asset. Another thing that I have noticed is that during red days, we've had many red days since March. It was one of the few tokens that performed strong relative to the rest of the altcoins. It has outperformed Bitcoin during the last weeks also. This thing looks very bullish to me. I don't know what to say. The RSI, the structure here, very bullish structure. We are seeing a retest of the 1.5 level so many times now. It doesn't want to go beyond 1.5. I think we have a very good opportunity to make some money here. If you risk only 1,000 here, 1,000 your risk. If you risk 1,000, let's say you put your loss right here below 1.5, you are risking 57% of your money. You are risking $517, but the potential to the upside is insane. If this thing reaches its all-time high, you will be up 5x. If it goes to the first series Fibonacci take profit level, it will be 8x from here. Of course, the pro investors have been accumulating the Ray token right here from January 2023 until the breakout, and now they have started to price up the token. Another accumulation for 8 ounce here. A pricing up of the token will occur. This is when Bitcoin starts trading above 100k, which will be very soon, the next 4 to 6 months, according to me and many other professional traders. Not that I'm a professional trader, but I'm observing how professional traders trade. The whole community which consists of serious traders think that Bitcoin is about to break out. And I find it very funny how people still think that crypto is a scam, that Bitcoin will crash, that altcoins will go to zero, and whatever. They can say whatever they want. These are people with bachelor degrees, master's degrees, whatever the fuck degrees. These are people who are just against crypto. They don't know why, but they are against crypto, because this is like not liking Donald Trump or not liking BMWs. I don't know what to say. These people are stupid people who have no idea how the financial markets work, how financial assets work, and how money flows from one asset to another. If you are smart enough, you must be into Bitcoin and altcoins right now. You must be, at least with some part of your savings. You need to have risk capital. I wish I had more risk capital at the moment, because I'm almost I have 75% of my savings invested into crypto and stocks right now. We will see something very bullish. We will see insane moves during this bull run. I want to show you the monthly chart as well of Raydium. Again, very bullish structure. You can call this a bullfrog if you want. This is the first time Raydium token closes a monthly candle above 50, the 50, the 50 RSI level. It had closed at 51.47. I cannot imagine how high this token can go once Bitcoin gets to 120k. The 3-month chart, although we have very few history here, but it also looks very bullish. You can see how the 1.2 here, the 1.2 level is getting tested. This candle, these are 6 months. If you count this one, 9 months. 9 months of testing of the 1.2. Again, the Fibonacci retracement, you can see. My first take profit will be at 29. Of course, this is very optimistic, but it can happen. This is crypto. Things go crazy in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, you can see Bitcoin trading at 100k. And the other level, $46. The other level, $74. These are very crazy numbers. Like maybe we will see a week up here. A few days of trading will occur on this level, but this is possible. You can make 20x on this token right now. And from the low, if you got here at 0.2, this is insane number, 20,000, 20,000%, or what's that? More than 200x. Gala, for example, did this during the last run. This is possible. Solana did this during the last run. This is absolutely possible. Okay, let's switch to the Bitcoin chart right now. The Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin chart, I want to show you the monthly RSI level. This is something very interesting. I thought that we will reach it here, that this trend line on the RSI will be respected, but we didn't reach it during March 2024. This was my initial prediction that with the ETF release, we will hit around 90k, 100k, and then the pullback will start to happen. But this is actually better that it's happening right now in that way, because the consolidation is for 8 months. The move to the upside will be stronger. We will reach, Bitcoin will surpass 110 for sure. We will be trading between 120 150 during 2025. And when this happens, the altcoins will go absolutely nuts. Many people will be mad because they didn't get into the altcoins on time. This is very interesting to me because look how the trend line on the RSI on the monthly chart indicates the perfect top, of the last bull runs of Bitcoin. You must be aware of this chart, of this trend line. Okay, when it starts touching this trend line right here, I don't know when it's gonna happen. Maybe Q1 2025, Q2 2025, but it's going to happen for sure. This is the time when I will be taking profits and I will be getting out of the crypto market. Another chart that I want to show you. No, first I will show you the fear and greed index. Fear and greed index. Can you imagine that Bitcoin is trading at its all-time high and the fear and greed index is at 57, neutral zone. Usually at high levels we reach 90. The fear and greed index gets at 90. We have a lot of room until we get to the 90 fear and greed index level. Another indicator that suggests we are not even close to the all-time high of Bitcoin. Finally, I want to show you the rainbow chart of Bitcoin. I'm not saying that we are going to hit the red level here at what's that, 800,000. No, we will not. Bitcoin will not hit 800,000 during this bull run. But for example, something like 150, 120, 150, 160, maybe 200,000. If I don't know if this is extremely bullish scenario, but 150 for me will be a very nice spot for Bitcoin to hit its next all-time high. The monthly, let's see the monthly RSI. What does it say? Not the monthly RSI, but the monthly Fibonacci extension. What does it say? First level 103,000. Second level 158. And these other two, yeah, these are possible but very optimistic. Here, between 100,000, 150, 160, this is absolutely possible. People will start to take profits here, switch to altcoins for a month or two, make some crazy money, bony keshi, bony kishirane. And this is what I wanted to tell you guys. Ray USDT, do not miss this chance. If you want to make some sick money, or in Bulgarian, bolen cash, get into this token until it's too late. If you're a cheap person, you don't want to risk your money, you can place a nice stop loss on this token right here at 50%. You'll go in with $1,000, 1,000 euro, 5,000. You only risk half of it, but the potential to the upside is insane. You must be aware. I'm up 8x on this token and I'm still holding it because I know how high it can get. This is one of the few tokens that will perform very well during this bull run. We're talking about the altcoins here, because the altcoins, Bitcoin has outperformed all of the altcoins apart from Solana. Yeah, so what else? What else? If I'm missing something that I want to share. Yes, the 2 hour time frame on this token is performing very well for short term trades. I'm using 2 hour time frame just to. No, I'm not trading it, but I'm just observing it. The 2 hour time frame and the simple moving average 120. You see how it respects the 120 very well on the 2 hour. If you're a pussy, you can place a stop loss, get into this token for short term trade, place a stop loss at 325, where the current support is. This is only 6%. You will be sacrificing 6% of your portfolio. But I recommend using daily, weekly, monthly charts to trade. For example, on Bitcoin, see on the weekly chart to 29,000. This was a brain dead move. This is so obvious right here. This closure. This is the first time I got into Bitcoin. At 29k around this on the monthlies. You see it better right here with these closures. Right here, I was still skeptical. I thought that it could go even lower. Everyone was expecting Bitcoin to reach 12k, to 12,000. I was looking for it at 12,000, but once it closed above 29k, this is when I got in. Right here, I switched from Bitcoin to Raydium because I want some sick money, some sick bags, tons of money. We'll see if it happens. But yeah, guys, 8 months of boring action, 8 months of consolidation. Will probably everybody is expecting Bitcoin to break out soon. It must occur very, very soon. And when it does, good times will fall for the altcoins too. So if you like this video, if you find my analysis valuable and find the fact that I told you about Raydium valuable, you can like it. You can like the video and share it with your friends. That's all I can say. Let's make some money.